Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to start computer application subject for BCom third semester, and in this class I am going to tell you about the syllabus and the points that we are going to cover in this class. So as we had 5 chapters in a previous semester, the same we are having the 5 units, 5 chapters in this semester. So I will tell you the name of these chapters that what we are going to cover in this semester. Maximum the classes will be conducted online due to the coronavirus. So first unit is Introduction to MS Excel. Second unit Working with MS Excel. Unit 3 DBMS and Unit 4 MS Access. And the last unit we have Management Information System. But out of these 5 chapters you will get a caselet on MS or MS Access. So remember, these 2 units are very important as per the examination point of view. So you will get the caselet question maximum on the MS Access or MS Excel. So prepare these 2 units with careful. So let's begin the today's topics, that is the introduction to MS Excel. Before MS Excel, I want to tell you something about the Microsoft Office, because you will get a one application MS Excel in the MS. So what is MS Office? It is MS Office. I think you heard about the Bill Gates. He is the owner of the Microsoft company which produce software and programs. For examples, MS Office 365, MS Office package is given, and MS Office Surface, Windows and other applications are produced by these companies to fulfill the needs of the corporate worlds, or in our daily life what we use the computers, we use these applications which is produced by the Microsoft company. And the question related to Microsoft is name of applications which consist various softwares such as MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint, and other softwares you will get also in the MS Office, because it is a package such as Outlook, OneDrive and OneNote. And but in this class we will discuss about MS Excel. So let's start. So you can see this is the interface MS Excel window that you can it looks like this. So first question arises that what is MS Excel? MS Excel is a program, or you can say a spreadsheet, which consists of rows and columns. And remember, the MS Excel is used for data analysis. Data analysis means we can collect the data, organize the data and perform the various calculations by using the different functions. Function means we can use the text functions, arithmetical functions and financial functions and the mathematical functions. We have the different types of the functions. By using them we can perform the calculations on the data and compare. We can also compare the data from one to another's, and we can get the required data from the MS Excel. So that's why Excel is a very helpful and useful program for the data analysis. For example, suppose if you want to prepare any financial reports like a balance sheet, trial balance sheet and other reports you want to take from the students. For example, you want to compare commerce student and BSc student, and you want to see their results separately. It means we can compare the data by using the chart wizard options. We have the lots of options in the MS Excel. We will discuss in the future classes, and today we one more points need to be discussed here. That is the basic terms used in MS Excel. So let's see the what is the first point here. What is active cell? Active cell means when we move to a cell, it becomes the active cell. जब हम सेल्स को मूव करते हैं तो ये सेल्स एक्टिव हो जाता है. द एक्टिव सेल इज़ द सेलेक्टेड सेल इन विच डेटा इज़ एंटर्ड बाय टाइपिंग. एक्टिव सेल वो सेल होता है जिसमें हम डेटा को एंटर करते हैं. अगर मान लीजिए आप कुछ टाइपिंग करना चाहते हैं या उसमें कुछ में कुछ डेटा एंटर करना चाहते हैं, आइदर यू वांट टू एंटर द नंबर, टेक्स्ट और वॉट एवर यू वांट टू इंसर्ट इमेज और द बेसिक शेप्स, that cell becomes active cells. And the second point we have, what is cell range? Cell range is it is a single or multiple set of cells considered for a particular calculation. The cell range is always a rectangular in shape. Cell range means it is a range from where to where you select the cells in the spreadsheet. For examples, at the time of practical, I will show you how the cells are selected with the help of the pointers. सेल रेंज एक यहाँ पर रोज और कॉलम्स होते हैं, उसको आप जितना एरिया सेलेक्ट करेंगे वो एक सेल रेंज बन जाएगा. मान लीजिए आप कॉलम ए से कॉलम डी तक जितने भी सेल्स आएंगे, अगर आप उनको सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो एक सेल रेंज बन जाएगा. तो कहाँ से कहाँ तक आप सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, सो दैट एरिया बिकम्स सेल रेंज. So next point we have, what is cell? What is the cell? Cell is a location in a spreadsheet. Actually it is referred as a address in a spreadsheet. For example, suppose we will get a multiple cells in a spreadsheet, and you want to know in which cell we have entered the data. How to identify it? The address of a particular cell will be displayed in a name box, that I will also show you how it shows the address in a name box at the time of practical. Otherwise I will show you in the future classes, but try to understand what is the cell. Cell is a location in a spreadsheet, and that is referred by an address. For example, cell A2. Cell A2 is, A is a here column heading, and 2 is, it is referred to rows. ये एक A2 जो है यहाँ पे, ये जो रहेगा वो कॉलम की हेडिंग रहेगी, और जो 2 है यहाँ पर ये रोज़ का नंबर रहेगा. अब मैं जब एक्सेल को स्टार्ट करूँगा तो उस केस में मैं आपको किस तरह से उसको आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ. फिर उसके बाद हमारे पास नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आता है, व्हाट इज़ सेल पॉइंटर. Cell pointer is a highlighted rectangular area on a spreadsheet work area. यहाँ पे सेल पॉइंटर जो है एक हाईलाइटेड रेक्टेंगुलर एरिया होता है, जहाँ पे रेक्टेंगुलर एरिया होता है जहाँ पर भी आप क्लिक करेंगे ये एक्टिव हो जाता है सेल्स. तो उस सेल पॉइंटर को उसको हम सेल पॉइंटर बोलते हैं. So these are the basic terms that I covered recently, and I covered now. If you have any doubts, any query, you can comment me, or you can message me on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching the video.